Good morning. So in the last class, we discussed 2016 paper, question number 5, right? Today we will continue that 2016 paper. In 2016 paper, question number 33 and 34 we have to consider. Sorry. So question number 33, in ASCII code, character Q is represented as 1010001 base 2. So again and again we are having the ASCII questions, right? At least there will be one question in each and every year. So 2016, the question was arised in ASCII code. Q is equal to 1010001 base 2. What is the option that represents the word put in binary form? Right? So PUT. So when we have the alphabetical order, PQRST. So this is the alphabetical order. Q was given. You have to find P, which means -1. Then U, 1, 2, 3, 4. So +4. T, 1, 2, 3. So +3. So these are the combination. So P -1, U +4, T +3. This one. So here I will find out the value of P. So you have to subtract decimal value 1 from the given binary value, right? So decimal number 1 and binary number 1 are same. Why? When we divide it by 2, it will be 0, 1. So 1 base 2. So when I subtract it by 1, it will be 1010000 base 2. So that's your order. So 1010000 base 2. Right? So based on that result, we can eliminate the second answer and the fourth answer option. So second answer option is gone, fourth is gone. Why? Because this was not received in that answer option, right? Then UT, right? When we find out one, no need to find out other. So here U +4. So 4, when we convert it into binary, it will be 100 base 2. So 100 base 2, you have to subtract it from this value, right? Sorry, add. So you have to add. How many numbers? 100 base 2. So here 1001001 100, you have to add. Why? Right hand side addition, left hand side subtraction. 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So this is your second answer option. After this one, you have to look at for 10 10 10 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. That is your first answer option. So first one is your right answer. Third one is wrong. Right? So without calculating the t, I found the answer option is first answer option. Right? So that's the end of 2016 paper. Question number 33. Now we will move on to the question number 34. Question number 34, part 1. The given question is, consider the following four numbers presented in different number systems. Which of the following statements is true regarding the above four numbers? Right? So there are some comparisons: larger than, equal to other, smaller than, not equal to each other. So when you receive these kind of answer options, what you have to do is you have to convert the given values into the same base. Right? So when you convert the values into the same base, you can easily find out the answer. Right? So in this case, the given values are 1 0, double 1 0 1 base 2, F3 base 16, 363 base 8, 243 base 10. Right? So I am going to convert it into the binary number or decimal number. Everything is fine. Right? So converting the numbers into same base, I will do it as decimal conversion. So this is MCQ. So straight away write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. 2 to the powers. Right? So here 128 plus 64. You have to add these things. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1. Right? 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 11, 15 plus 8, 23. 2, 3, 6, 12, 14. 1, 2, 4, 3. So here, same. F3 base 16, 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1. F is 15, 1 into 3, 3, plus 1 into 15, 15. Right? Sorry. 16 into 15. You have to multiply. It will be 240 plus 3, 243. Why? 16 to the power 1 is 16. 16 into 15, 240. So 243. So this is also same. 363 base 8. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. 1 into 3, 3. 8 into 6, 48. 64 into 3, 192. It is 243. Sorry. So all the digits are equal. Here, third answer option, 4 numbers are equal to each other. Right? So third answer option. So that's the end of 2016 part 1 questions. 2016 part 2 questions. Now we have to consider. Part 2 questions. Question number 1 was in the number system unit. Convert the hexadecimal number E9 to equivalent octal number. Show the relevant steps. Right? So you're going to convert the hexadecimal number E9 to octal number. Right? E9 to octal. Right? So E9 E is equal to 14 plus 9 into octal equal. So when you convert a hexadecimal number into octal equivalent, you can follow 2 steps. Not steps, methods. 2 methods. First one is convert the hexadecimal number into decimal, then decimal to octal. That is method 1. Method 2, convert the hexadecimal number into binary and convert into octal. Right? You can choose whatever the method, but the method 2 is easy. Right? So I will do the method 2 here. So 14,9. When you convert the hexadecimal number into binary number, you have to find each digit's 4-digit binary value. So for the number 9, the 4-digit binary value will be 1001. For the 14, 1110. Right? So this is the binary equivalent. So halfway done. Then you have to get these values into octal number. So how to convert it? Again, write it without spaces. Get into 3 digits group from right to left. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1. Here it will be 1, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 2, 3, 5, 1. So the answer will be 3151 base 8. Right? So you have to write E9 base 16 equal 31 base 351 base 8. Right? So these computation you will have 1 mark, and for the final answer you will have 1 mark. So altogether, there will be 2 marks. Right? That's the end of 2016 paper. Now we will discuss 2017 paper. Right? If you have any questions on 2016 paper, you can ask now. Right? Any doubts from 2016 paper, you can ask. Otherwise, I will start 2017 paper. Right. So you are not having any doubts. So I will start 2017 paper MCQ section. Right. So in 2017 paper, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and also in part 2, there's question number. There are 2 questions, right? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 in 2017 paper, right? So 2017. Question number 1. That's which of the following decimal number is equivalent to the binary number 01011 base 2? 01011 base 2. When you convert it into decimal value, you can remove this one. This is 1, this is 2, 0, 8. So it will be 11. So this is how you can answer the MC questions to save your time. So these conversions can be done within 10 seconds. But for 15, maximum 15 seconds, you can do this one. So for the question number 1, the answer will be first answer option. Question number 2. Which of the following octal numbers is equivalent to the binary number? They gave the binary value. You have to find out the octal equivalent. Right? So octal equivalent you have to find out. That is question number 2. Right? So question number 2, the given binary number is 111111 01100 10 base 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? 2, 4, 6, yeah, 12 digits. So you are going to convert it into octal. So our question is binary to octal conversion. So binary to octal conversion, you have to get into 3 digits group. So rewrite this one in your paper. I am doing it for the second part paper, but this is an MCQ paper, so you have to do it very fast, right? So how to do is you have to divide it into 3 digits binary groups, then multiply it by 2 to the powers. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, which means 1, 2, 4. So here it is 2. This is 2 plus 4. This is 2 plus 4. This is 1 plus 2 plus 4. So it is 7, 6, 6, 2. right? Base 8. So 766 2 base 8, fourth answer option, right? Fourth one. Question number 3. The hexadecimal equivalent of a given binary number. So here, question number 3. They gave a binary number and asked you to convert it into a hexadecimal number. So binary to octal, you have to convert it into 3-digit groups. Here you have to convert it into 4-digit groups. Why? Base 16 means 2 to the power 4. So the given binary number is 1. I will do it as an MCQ as soon as possible here. 111 0101 100 110 110 110. Right. So here you can apply a small technique and find out the answer quickly. But you can observe the answer options. First one starting in D, so that is a unique one. First one, second one, third one ending with A, right? And also there are 2 numbers starting from 1, right? So by doing this practice, you can determine the methods of finding the answer as soon as possible. So in this case, first I will group it. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. So in this case, this is 2 to the power 0, which is 1. So first digit is 1 and there will be 4 other digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So based on that result, I can eliminate first answer option. So first one is gone. Why? Second one, third one, and fourth one all are starting in 1. So by depending on this one only, we can't find the answer. But when you consider the second, third, and fourth options, finally they are having 2 A values and 1 as in the end. Here when I convert this one, this is 8 plus 2, 0. The place values are 1, 2, 4, 8. So 8 plus 2, it is 10. So it will be 8. So 1, 8. If you're still struggling to find out the answer, then do these things. Right? Most of the times, within 2 steps, you can find the answer. In few instances only, you will face difficulties to find the answer by using all the available options. Right? So here in this case, I have to convert these digits. 1101, 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 will be D. This is 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 plus 2, which is 6. This is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So the answer is 1D63A base 16. Right? 1D63A base 16, second answer option. Right? Only in this instance you will face these kind of problems, but in our questions, most of the time within 2 steps we can find the answer, 90%. Right? Question number 4. Consider the following statements. There are 3 statements. Consider the following statements. 2b base 16 is equivalent to 53 base 8. Right? So 2b base 16 is equivalent to 53 base 8. If that is false, straight away your answer option is third answer option. Why? First answer option, second answer option, and fourth answer options are having the value, having the statement A. So if you perform statement A initially, if that is false, question is done. Why? A is wrong. Answer option 1, 2, and 4 is having A. So only one option is available, which is third option. So I will perform the statement A. So the question number 4, they gave you 3 statements to find out the true statements from that one. Right? So available 3 options. You have to find out the true statement. So statement A. Statement A, 2b base 16 is equal to 53 base 8. So I will find out this one. The 2b says base 16. So the most easiest way is you can convert it into decimal. Why? Because it is 2 digits. Right? 16 to the power 0. 16 to the power 1, 1 into 11, 11, 16 into 2, 32. So this is 43. 53 base 8, 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 1 into 3, 3, 8 into 5, 40, 43. So statement A is true. So in the available 4 options, third option is gone. Why? Statement A is true. Then they ask the second statement. Four 3 base 10 is equivalent to 101011 base 2. Right? 4 3 base 10. Right? So 4 3 base 10 is equivalent to 101011. 101011 4 3 base 8. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 32. 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 3, 43. So statement B also true. So A, B true. Statement C, 101011 base 2 is equivalent to 53 base 8. This one is already done. Here, 101011 base 2, that is equal to 43. Right? And 53 base 8, that is also equal to 43. So these two conversions we have already done. So according to this one, statement C also true. So A, B, C all. Fourth answer option. Now we will consider part 2 questions. In part 2, question number 1, compulsory question. Part 1, A, B questions there. Right? There are 2 questions, each having 1 mark. Right? So here, 2017 paper, part 2, compulsory question, question number 1, A, B. Both will have 1 mark, but altogether it is 2 marks. Convert the binary number. They gave a specific binary number to octal. Show steps in your calculations. Right? So here, A part, 110 111 0011 00 base 2. So 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So you have to convert it into octal. Right. So when they ask in the second part, you have to write like this. Below that one, you have to perform your calculation. So 110 111 00 11 0 0 2 4 6 8 12 10 12. Okay. So they ask you to convert it into octal equivalent. So from right to left, divide it into 3 digits groups. Here you have to write 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2. So it is 2 plus 1. This is 4 plus 2 plus 0. This is 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is 0 plus 0 plus 1. This is 4 plus 0 plus 0. So 4 plus 2 is 6. It is 7, 1, 4. 6, 7, 1, 4. Base 8. 6, 7, 1, 4. Base 8. Half. Altogether 1 mark. That is your 2017 paper part 2. Question number 1, part 1, A part. Right? Now we will consider B part. So B part says Convert the hexadecimal number 752 base 16 to binary. Show steps in your calculation. 752 base 16, right? So 752 base 16 into binary, right? So write B part 752 base 16 equal. So 752. To find out the binary digit, you have to convert each and every digits into 4-digit binary number. That division is not compulsory to write, right? So the division process, it's not compulsory. If you want, you can write, otherwise you can leave, right? So here 2, it will be 1110, 0010, 50101, 70111. When you combine these values, you can get 1110, 101, 0010 base 2. You can remove this one, right? So here write 1110, 0101, 0010 base 2. Right? That's the B part. Here you will have half and half. Altogether, 1 mark. That's the end of 2017 paper. Part 3 also, same here, 4 bits calculation, color finding techniques. We'll discuss in unit 4 of grade 11 paper. Now we will start discussing 2018 paper, right? So 2018 paper, part 1 questions we have to consider. In 2018 paper, in part 1, there are 5 questions. Question number 1 to 5, right? 2018 paper. Question number 1. In which form the data and instructions stored in a computer? Right? It's a very simple question, straightforward answer. It's binary, right? First answer option. Question number 2. Which of the following is the octal equivalent of decimal number 156 base 10? Octal equivalent. So question number 2. The conversion is decimal to octal conversion. Given decimal number is 156 base 10. So decimal to octal. Here you have to consider it is not the second part question. Just an MCQ, right? So you have to finish it as soon as possible. 156 divided by 8. It will be 19,4, 8, 2, 3, 0, 2, 2, 3, 4, base 8. Sorry. Second answer option. Question number 3. Which of the following is the binary equivalent of the hexadecimal number 2b base 16? So here, question number 3, 2b base 16 to binary, which means base 16 to base 2. Right? That is question number 3. So 2b base 16 binary conversion. 2b to b is 11. So when you convert that into binary number, it will be 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. 2 will be 0, 0, 1, 0. When you combine this one, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. When you remove this one, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Right? So they gave you in the 8 digits. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. First answer option. Right? So that's the end of 2018 paper. Question number 3. In 2018 paper, question number 4. So question number 4. Which of the following list, they give 4 numbers in the ascending order. So you have to find out the ascending order of the given 4 numbers. Right? I'll write the numbers one by one. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1 double 0, 1 double 0, 1, 1, double 0, 1. Base 2, comma 113 base 8, 160 base 10, 1a base 16. They ask you the ascending order. But so we have 2 orders, ascending order and descending order. So we need the ascending order. Right? So descending order means larger to small. This is smaller to large. Right? Smaller one to larger one conversion. So in this case, we have to convert these numbers into same digits. Same number form, not digit, number format. It is easy to convert it to decimal. So I will convert these 2 first. 1a. So a is 10. This is 1. 16 to the power 0. 16 to the power 1. 1 into 10, 10. Plus 16 into 1, 16. Which is 26. 160. That is fine. 113 base 8. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. So 1 into 3, 3, 8, 64. 64 plus 8, 72, 72 plus 3, 75. So this is 75, this is 160, this is 26. They ask you the ascending order. So the order will be 1A base 16. After this one, 113 base 8. After this one, 160 base 10. Here we have to consider this one now. Sometimes it will be here or here or here. We don't know. Right? So before I calculate everything, briefly I will consider the most valued digit. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 to the power 7, that is 128. So minimum, this one is 128 plus. So 128 means here or here. Right? So the order is 1A base 16, 113 base 8. So 1A base 16, 113 base 8. Only one answer option is there. So there's no need to convert entire value. So the answer option will be fourth answer option. Right? So straight away you can find the answer without performing the entire calculation. Right? When I perform this one, 128 plus, this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. So altogether it will be 3, 1, 5, 3. So it will be here. Okay. You can see the order. Yeah. Fourth answer option. So MCQ, the approach is the must one to find out the answer as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will have some time issues, right? So try to finish it in 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Then you can save the time to do the second part questions and the you have to revise your answers, right? Recheck. So that's the end of 2018 fourth MCQ. The answer option is fourth answer option. Now we will consider the question number 5. In which of the following number system is the number 8000 is valid? So question number 5, 800 base x. This is the summary of the question, right? So we studied when you want to represent some digits in your number system, first you have to think about the base will be greater than the largest digit of the given number. So here number 8 is your largest one. So when you have a number 8 digit, the base must be at least 9. Then only you can have number 8 in your number. So here the base must be at least 9. So base at least 9 means decimal or hexadecimal. Octal and binary, it's not possible. So here decimal and hexadecimal only, second answer option. Right? So 2018 part 1 question 5, the answer is second answer option, decimal and hexadecimal. So this is the method. When you have 8, base must be at least 9. So in our number systems, we studied 4 number systems. Binary base 2, wrong. Octal base 8, wrong. Hexadecimal base 10, okay. And hexadecimal base 16, that is also fine. So your answer will be decimal and hexadecimal, second answer option, right? So that's the end of 2018 part 1 questions. In the next class, we will discuss 2018 part 2 questions and also unit 4, right? Electronics, digital electronics questions. Unit 4 from 2010 to 2018, right? Part 1 and part 2 both combinedly, right? So that's your next paper class